Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. I've been hanging on to this project since Christmas. For my son and his girlfriend, I created these Scrabble wall tiles for them to put on their apartment wall. Well, 6 months later, they still were not hung up. So, when I went to pick up my granddog, I decided I would bring them home with me and take some pictures. I created a light brown stain by mixing Waverly antiquing wax and white Craftsman gel stain. I poured them into a cup and mixed them until everything was a smooth color. For this project, I used some of the Dollar Tree 4.5-inch wood squares. You can paint the wall tiles with acrylic paint, but I wanted the wood grain to show, so that's why I mixed the stains together. I applied the stain mixture to the front of each tile and wiped them off with a paper towel. I did this until all the tiles were stained. I opened up Design Space and added a square the same size as the wood tile I was using. I used the Tilex font, which I found on dafont.com for free. Y'all know I love free. I sized the image with the size of the square. I then used transfer tape and transferred the letters to the tiles. The next thing I did was my iron trick. I used my iron and a thin piece of fabric and ironed each of the tiles. I do this anytime I am applying vinyl to wood or any textured surface. It helps the vinyl melt into the cracks and crevices of the wood and gives a more professional appearance. I next painted the edge of each tile with black acrylic paint to give the edges a finished look. I used gloss Mod Podge to seal all the tiles. I used a foam brush and applied 2 layers to each tile. To finish the tiles off, I used these Velcro command hooks I got at Dollar General for like $1.35 per pack. I went ahead and stuck the Velcro pieces together and then removed the paper from one side and applied it to the center of each tile. I decided to use these so they could hang the letters on their wall in whatever order they wanted. This project did take me a while to finish, but I think it was well worth it. I love the way the tiles all turned out. I may have to make some of these for myself. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Happy crafting!